Parliamentary Assembly of the Council of Europe, the PACE, on Monday adopted a report on the humanitarian consequences of the conflict between Armenia and Azerbaijan during its autumn session. The report was adopted with 47 votes in favor, 16 against and 3 abstentions. It was drafted by Irish MP Paul Gavan, who provided the information based on the results of his visits to Armenia and Azerbaijan. The report concerns the dead, the missing, the wounded, the POWs, the claims about crimes and war crimes and other illegal acts, landmines and unexploded ordnance, displaced persons, border incidents, cultural heritage and hate speech. Principal Deputy Assistant Secretary of European and Eurasian Affairs Dereck Hogan and National Security Council Senior Director for Europe Sloat on Monday met with the OSCE Minsk Group co-chairs as well as Andrzej Kasprzyk, the personal representative of the OSCE Chairperson in office. The co-chairs discussed their successful facilitation of the first joint meeting of the Armenian and Azerbaijani foreign ministers since November 2020 and which was held last week on the sidelines of the UN General Assembly. Meanwhile, Russian Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov said that while in New York, the OSCE Minsk Group co-chairs had reached an agreement with Armenia and Azerbaijan to resume their working trips to Nagorno-Karabakh, Artsakh. Georgian Prime Minister Irakli Garibashvili said that his country can become a platform for talks between Armenia and Azerbaijan. He recalled that in June, Georgia had facilitated the release of 15 captured Armenian soldiers in Azerbaijan, as well as the transfer of some Nagorno-Karabakh Artsakh minefield maps to Azerbaijan. To continue this process at a higher level, we propose our fraternal countries to start negotiations in Tbilisi, which can become a permanent platform, the Georgian Prime Minister added. Based on official data, 45 Armenian captives are detained in the Azerbaijani capital Baku. Siranush Sahakyan, an advocate of Armenian POWs at the European Court of Human Rights, told NEWS.am. Sahakyan noted that there are official and non-official data regarding the Armenians detained in Azerbaijan that are based on the results of fact-finding activities. Based on our data, there are 80 more Armenian captives detained in Azerbaijan, Sahakyan added. The staff of the Armenian Human Rights Defender has received reports that the Azerbaijani servicemen have been setting fires since Sunday near Verin Shorja and Nerkin Shorja, as well as Ark villages of Gegarkunik province. It is mostly about the residents' grasslands and pastures, which are being destroyed by fires, Ombudsman Arman Tatoyan reported on Monday. The checking of these reports show that these subversive crimes against the Armenian civilian population are committed intentionally. The Public Health Organization on Tuesday staged a protest in front of the Armenian Ministry of Health. They demanded that the health ministry invalidate the order, according to which as of Friday, all employees in the country must either be vaccinated against the coronavirus or take a COVID-19 test twice a month. Public Health Organization President Dr. Hovhannes Gevorkyan noted that this order violated human rights. Subsequently, the police apprehended the doctor and several others for violating the state order. As of Tuesday morning, 772 new cases of the coronavirus were confirmed in Armenia, and the total number of these cases has now reached 259,779 in the country. Also, 13 more deaths from COVID-19 were registered, making the respective total 5,277 cases.